At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. I want to take a look at my screen, my wisdom warriors. Take a look at this beautiful resort. This resort is called the Four Brothers Paradise Island Restaurant and Bar. And guess what? It is located in Greenwood, St. James. It is 15 minutes from the airport, in Montego Bay. Yes, me dear. So guess what now? If you guys want to experience the best resort in Jamaica, you can give Four Brothers Paradise a call on 416-996-5804. And don't forget, my people, that it is on the beachfront and it is gated. Yes, my dear, it is gated with lots of parking and type of events. Not to worry, because guess what? They cater for the elderly too. So if you're an elderly person, you can book a relaxation senior holiday and experience of unforgettable moments right at Four Brothers Paradise. Well, how can I forget the children? Four Brothers Paradise is a beach holiday where kids and grown-ups alike can do as much or as little as they want. Four Brothers Paradise is all-inclusive resorts, offer plenty of inclusions and ways to enjoy time together. So to all my viewers and subscribers, if you want to have a relaxation time at Four Brothers Paradise, all you have to do is contact this number, which is 416-996-5804. You can find them on Google. You can find them on Facebook. My wisdom warriors, do you know what the best thing about this? Four Brothers Paradise, they are a part of the Wisdom Warriors team. Yes, man. They are a part of the Wisdom Warriors team. So, my people, all of my traveler them in the diaspora, all of my travelers them, when una go Jamaica, me want to reach out to Four Brothers Paradise Resort. Me want to give them a call because una see for them place stay good. For them place really stay good. So if a relaxation una say, if a vacation una say, Four Brothers Paradise is the place to be. A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. My wisdom warriors, you can see the excitement from yesterday down in Ian Town and Morant Bay and not normal. Well, opposition leader Mark Golding is calling on the government to call the next general election now. Golding, who was in defiant mood, is seeking to press home the advantage of the People's National Party candidates won by elections in the Morant Bay Division in St. Thomas and the Town Division in Clarendon.
One PNP powerful together. All the vote buying could not stop Team PNP.
so.
Yeah. Respect. First of all, I want to say thank you all for the effort, the work, and the commitment that you showed to the People's National Party. You don't know what you have done for this party tonight, because every comrade throughout Jamaica is now engaged, energized, and excited. I believe that St. Thomas, Moran Bay, and Clarendon, Town has just won the next election for the People's National Party. And can you imagine how depressed the JLP will be at their conference on Sunday? I hear. Check. I hear that they plan to cancel it. And if they don't cancel it, they're inviting me and Mark Walden as the guest speaker. Totally fair. But I also heard that the man that them call Dr. Chopper send down 14 of the 28 bank accounts today, and we still win. What can go? They had 49 MPs down here, and we had 14. They had more MPs. They had 13 senators, and we had 8. They had more senators. They had billions of dollars, and we had thousands. They had more money. But one thing we prove is that we have more people in I want to big up Comrade Dawson, because you can't say he didn't work for this one. He really put in the effort, and he has promised that he will put in the work. So when I wait that time, we need no talking, no skylarking, no ramping. I want to thank Wave the Lines, my personal chauffeur. Wavell pick me up every single time that I'm coming to Town and carry me home back safe. And Wavell worked. You deserve a kudos.
What you labor right?
Love them same way. I want to thank all the external people, but mostly I want to thank as well. I want to thank the leader of the party for his efforts, but I want to give a round of applause to the General Secretary, who was a real general in this election. Once the PNP come together, once the PNP decides that we're serious, cause them not bright like we, them not sensible like we, and them not, hey, careful. Comrades, I thank you for this wonderful night, and I look forward to the continued victory for the People's National Party. One love and power to the people.
Comrades, the Rastaman, Senator Damian Crawford, and our citizen of the Town Division. Give me a round of applause again. But comrades, I bring to you now a young man that I know you know very well, from the neighboring constituency of Northwest St. Anne, the General Secretary, the campaign manager in Town. I say welcome. Dr. Nathan Campbell. Hold it. Comrades all, I really, this evening, I'm in a grateful mood. And normally, I give a very fiery presentation and those other things. But I tell you the truth, I'm emotional tonight. I'm emotional because this meant so much to us. And the effort that was given by the comrades of the division, of the constituency and of the country, my heart is full. And I want to say thank you to each and every comrade that came out to ensure that we won this division tonight. I want to give special commendations to Comrade Leader Mark Golden and Comrade Crawford, because when we designed the program and we said every day, one of you in Alien Town, one in Morant-Bay. The next day you in Alien Town and the other one go to Morant-Bay. They put in a full shift going house to house across hills and valleys. Comrade Hines, you know you have my support anyway because you're my brother. But I really want to commend Comrade Hines for the way in which he attacked this thing and invested his time and resources. Invested his time and resources to ensure that we could deliver this victory. Big up to you, Wavell. And I want to say thanks as well. I know when I say thanks, I can't say thanks to everybody. But I want to say thanks as well to Comrade Horace Daly, who come out and was fully involved in the campaign. I was fully on the ground and moving around, and today he was a champion for this noble movement. There is a team that was working in the constituency. Comrade Richard Sadai, Comrade Wentworth Skeffrey, and Comrade Akeem and others doing the part of the politics that people don't necessarily see or like. But they were in the engine room running the show. And I want to say big up to those comrades and the other comrades from the constituency led by Comrade Kincaid that managed the internal affairs of the campaign. The other comrades. When I call and I say, Comrade, we can.
My wisdom warriors, me say the place nice, the place nice, the place just nice. So I want them to them. Look how the way how them did a hype up and a behave. Labor right. Look the way how they did a behave. But una go give clean sweep. Oh, una go give clean sweep. Me tell you so, not too confident. Una little bit unconfident. Too much. Una little bit unconfident. But my wisdom warriors, you see in at the ending when they realize say them are gonna lose, then they want broke fight. Pure war broke yesterday. I know not normal. Pure war broke. But anyway, me have a attack class for drop on Uno. Uno no hear where Warmington she a walk and a talk say. Uno no hear where Warmington she a walk and a talk say. Hear this. Member of Parliament for Southwest St. Catherine, Everall Warmington, launched a racially charged broadside against opposition leader Mark Golden. Basically, he's being racist. I don't know how nationwide stay already. Them always try to fix up things. Warmington she is being racist against Mark Golden, my wisdom warriors. And this man is so fool. I want to really eat that, you know. Warmington is a real gal clown. Addressing the West Kingston constituency conference, Warmington said he would rather die. Jamaica, when I hear this here, I want to open up on the ears, you know. Jamaican people, Warmington say he rather die than be led by a white British man. Huh? Warmington. Rotted old. But you know, hey, my wisdom warriors. A serious thing this, you know. Serious thing this. This is a racist attack. And Warmington should be fired. Warmington should be fired. So you don't want a white Englishman. You know, so una real baboon, una real idiot, you know. So who are lead Jamaica? Who is overseeing Jamaica? Who are run Jamaica, idiot? Idiot Warmington, who are run Jamaica? Who is the overseer of Jamaica? It is a white Englishman. So what are you talking about? It is King Charles. So what are you talking about, Warmington? So, okay, so you don't want a white Englishman. You want a white American man. So Siaga was a white man. Okay, so you not like English people. Warmington, listen to me. You see that same statement where you make? You see that same statement where you make? Mark Golding are going to be the Prime Minister. And you see that same statement there where you just make out of your mouth, Warmington? It shall become your downfall. It shall become your downfall. And you ask for it, you know. And Mark Golding is happy going to be the next Prime Minister of Jamaica. So if you say you're rather dead, that go happen. And that go happen, Warmington. Because Mark Golding going to be the next Prime Minister. And what you going to do about it? you better start counting days them from now. Remember, you know? Remember, say you say it in a Warmington. Hey, me tell us a labor right, them a real idiot, you know. Labor right a real idiot, you know. Hey, Lord Jesus, we could never want somebody like Uno. We could never want somebody like Uno to run Jamaica. No, we need to get rid of Uno. This is not a joke thing, you know. Uno say Warmington come out and attack them way, you know. Warmington forget fire, you know. Warmington no fear represent Jamaican people, you know. I wonder how the white people them feel. The white people, them want Andrew Holness at work amongst. The white people, the PSOJ, them are white people. How you feel? Investors them. How you feel? No, seriously. Warmington, you should be ashamed of yourself. You is a disgrace to society. You is a disgrace to society. You is a disgrace to society. And may everything where you utter out of your mouth, Mark Golding will be the Prime Minister. But whatever else you say, it shall happen to you. Double, because that you want. And you say it out of your own mouth. You're bright, eh? Yeah. My wisdom warriors, from the band, I never see this yet. I war them, so them a war, you know. I war vibe them depend, you know. Me tell you, in Jamaica, you don't know who them people are, man. Wicked sort of drunk of them. So, you know, say, nationwide right, the controversial MP also urged the opposition leader to seek office in Britain. Me have really laugh where he believes he would be more comfortable. Listen to me, Warmington, go name some shit. Cause you really is nobody, you know. You look cranny, you for the prison, you know, Warmington. You for be prosecuted, you know. You for go to prison and rat in a jail, you know. For all them allegations that where people have against you, you know. How you abuse them, you know. You for their prison, you know, Warmington. You out here chat off your mouth and you first way I make Mark Golding put in a prison. You first. You is a shit house. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about this. Tell me how you feel about it. And put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And remember, guys, to run over to my other channel. It is called the PNP News Round. Subscribe and get me to 5K. Follow me on X, follow me on TikTok. The link I got in the comment section. You can also reach me on WhatsApp. The number is 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.